Motorists can expect a shorter travel time from Caloocan to España, Manila, and vice versa, with the opening of a 5-kilometer elevated expressway. The usual 30-minute travel time from España to Caloocan in reverse will be cut down to around 3 to 5 minutes through the elevated highway, which is the first section of the North Luzon Expressway. According to NLEX management, the expressway was open for motorists with no toll fees until further notice. The NLEX Connector is a public-private partnership project between NLEX Corporation and the DPWH and can accommodate 35,000 vehicles a day. Motorists see its opening as timely, with more people expected to travel this coming Holy Week.
Sobrang bilis pare, ito yung isang monumental na nagawa ng ating presidente. Napakaganda, kabilis. Kaya lahat ng mga kababayan ko, dumaan na po kayo dito at nang makita nyo kung gaano kabilis at kaganda itong nagawa pong interconnection, NLEX, SLEX interconnection.